Hello, welcome back to the channel. This video just to round up a few things happening the past couple of weeks in crypto. I'm going to start off with the Divi project. They have released a new website, Divipedia. This is what the website is, the homepage of the website here. It's just they have a lot of information on it, just explaining Divi, explaining cryptocurrency as well. We'll just go up here and click on Divi 2.0. You should go click on that button and sign in your email there, and you'll be notified as soon as the wallet is launched. Divi 2.0, it is going to be called Divi Pay. You might have seen some of the YouTube videos released from Divi with the picture of the app on the phone saying Divi Pay. So sign up your email there so you're notified as soon as that is released. Also, another thing I want to mention about Divi is they have achieved 1100 master nodes. So that is it's a massive achievement. Let's go over to Coinmarketcap. You see here the current price is $0.02 US, up about 8%. The coin market cap is 34 million. 24-hour volume to 300,000, about that. Also, I want to mention Divi are in the process of doing a lot of different updates to improve the desktop wallet, improve the speed of how it loads everything. Also, they have released, if you go over, I'm going to put the link for this website in the description. It's divigo.app, is so you can access your Divi wallet to send money, receive money through your phone. I'm going to put the links for all these in the description. This and the Divipedia page and just the general Divi project website. Also, make sure to follow Divi on Twitter. This is one thing I've noticed recently on Twitter. There's a lot of people making their own version of the Divi logos. There's some very cool ones. So head over to Divi on Twitter, follow them, and it's just one of the best places to keep up to date with them. Here now we're on the Bitcoin chart. I just want to mention this quickly. I'm not going to go into too much detail going over through any technical analysis. I just want to mention this line here. I've drawn this thick line here. The price is price right now at the time I'm making this video is 9443 on the Coinbase chart on the daily. I'm on the daily. Just want to mention this line here around the 10,000 mark. How it's a real pivotal mark for the price of Bitcoin. We can see in the past, anytime we've been around here, it's either a lot of major rejections. But if we do break through this point, we have a lot of potential upside to go up to 11,500. But this right now around this point, it's a major pivotal point for Bitcoin. So it's just anybody in the middle of trading. This would be a point. We really need to see these levels broken, whether upside, confirmed to the upside or downside. So anybody who's trading at the minute, just to be careful around this area. You can just see in the past some of the major rejections we've gotten here. You see, just put a price range on them. Just even there, 33%. 30%, and this one you can't see this just because that line just around the coronavirus stuff, that's 60%, about 60%. But and also you see the upside potential over here. We went 25%. So it just showed this is a major pivotal moment, pivotal line for Bitcoin, for either a major rejection or a great boost to the upside. There's a lot of people in the crypto space thinking we're on the next bull run. Could well be. Just this is a point where just this area needs to be confirmed to the upside or downside before I want to do any trading myself. And now on the eXchangily website, I just want to mention this quickly because if you have recently got into eXchangily and joined up to their Telegram group, you'll see there's an awful lot more interaction. You can see the work the new marketing team is doing. If you follow them on their Twitters, it's completely different scope they're going at it with. It's there's a lot more interaction within the Telegram group, all of that, and the people behind eXchangily are working away on implementing all the different blockchains. So this is another one to really stay tuned to, because it is, the room for growth here is massive. If they pull off everything they're trying to do here, it's going to be the only DEX people will be using. And if you're having any troubles, getting set up on eXchangely, just head over to the Telegram, which will be in the description below. You won't head over there and you won't have any problem getting set up. And last but not least, I just want to look at Dragonchain. DRGN is the ticker. It's a coin I have in my portfolio. The price right now is $0.09 US. The market cap is 22 million and the 24-hour volume is 266,000. So I just want to go over to, first I just want to look at the market pairs so you can see where you buy it, where to get it. So you can get it on KuCoin. That's with BTC or Ethereum, Bittrex, and whichever one of them, just goes, the list goes on down there. Now we go over to TradingView to look at Dragonchain. So we just look what it's done in the past. I'm on the daily chart, the past, say, month. I've only just got into Dragonchain recently, so it's been quite good. In the last month we've had 300% profit. We'll just look at back in, say, February, there was 83% profit, dropped then again. I want to just put the moving averages on here quickly and we'll see would we have seen any of those, anything to indicate those drops. So just using those moving, just using the movement, the EMA's 8, 13, 21 crossing the 55. If we had to use that as a strategy to get in on the drop, if we'd got in on the climb, we'd have got 70%. Just using that strategy. And if we use the strategy purely of getting in and out when the moving average crosses, then the first time 16%. On the decline, you'd have got 26%. And right now we're still climbing. We said from that, it's about 230%. So you can see there's a lot happening with Dragonchain at the minute. There's a lot of interest growing in it, and also I think one of the things that has helped this along is they're slightly working with Divi a bit. So I think Divi has given Dragonchain a massive boost. You can see there, even just following that strategy using the 8, 21, 30, the 8, 13, 21, 55, crossing the 55 above and below, moving at EMAs. Works quite well with Dragonchain. Just if you're going to use that strategy, just go back test it on the different time frames. But Dragonchain is definitely a coin I think that I see going an awful lot higher, even if it goes back to if you even got back to halfway of its all-time high. So if we just bring it up to here, if it got even about halfway back to its all-time high, that would be over 1,000% profit. So massive room to grow with Dragonchain, especially the new partnerships they're making. But that is it for this video. I wanted to go through just a few things: Divi, eXchangily, just the major pivotal moment Bitcoin is at, and also Dragonchain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Mad Crypto. Thank you.